Good morning to our beloved lecturer, Madam Kalis. Today, me and my groupmate want to discuss about water pollution that happen in Malaysia. We are going to discuss in detail about definition of water pollution, sources, and the explanation for water pollution that happen in Malaysia. Besides that, we are also going to discuss about the effect, the solution taken, and the conclusion for water pollution that happen in Malaysia. Without wasting our time, let's go through together.
There are about 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. The ocean alone covers 97% of it, while the remaining 3% is freshwater. Human activities increase in sync with population growth, resulting in a variety of pollution, including water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution occurs when harmful substances such as chemicals or microorganisms enter the body of water, which degrades the quality of water and then become toxic to human and the environment. The dirtiest and most polluted river in Malaysia is found at Pasir Gudang, Johor. According to Dr. Zaki, there are many factories there which lead to the overcrowding of the factories discharge.
So now we know that water pollution gives bad impact to the society. So do you guys want to know what is the cause of water pollution? So let us see some of the problems that cause water pollution. First is silt from floods. Second is animal waste. Third is fertilizers and pesticide from farm. Fourth is waste from factory and construction site. So the specific issue that we focus is Kim Ki River, where this Kim Ki River is contaminated by chemical. It is caused by illegally chemical waste dumping at Kim Ki River by irresponsible owner and workers of the factory. And the chemical that identified in the river is oil marine that emitted flammable methane and benzene fumes. And the last but not least, there are several others chemical that identified in the river is acrylic, antibenzene, and dilimanine.
Explanation of isu Sungai Kim River, Pasir Gudang, Johor. On March 2019, thousands of Malaysians fell sick after being exposed to different chemicals illegally dumped into that river. According to an investigation after the incidents, local authorities estimate that around 20 to 40 tons of oil waste were illegally dumped into part of the river. The waste might have come from marine engineering of petrochemical factories in Johor. The contamination has sickened more than 5,000 people, including hundreds of students and children, and because of that, Education Ministry ordered the indefinite closure of 111 schools in Pasir Gudang.
Next, what are the effects of water pollution? First, it will affect human health. People will get diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, and typhoid when drinking contaminated water. People also will suffer from vomiting, headache, and breathing difficulties due to the inhalation of toxic gases. Second, lack of clean water. When water polluted, water treatment plants will undergo washing and flushing process, and it takes time to recover. So, clean water limited for daily use. Lastly, contamination of aquatic environment. Water pollution affected the aquatic life. Polluted water block the light to pass through the water. So, photosynthesis cannot occur and it will disrupt the growth of fish and other organisms.
The solutions taken to overcome this problem are: first, the State Department of Environment must send drones to monitor pollution site in Kim Ki River to know the source of pollution. Next, the relevant authorities must take proactive action by conducting surprise inspection to make sure no one is dumping toxic waste into the river. Lastly, chemical waste disposal should be in accordance with existing standard operating procedure rules, where manufacturers need to ensure that their contractor dispose of chemical waste in special areas provided. In conclusion, responsible parties need to play an important role to make sure this problem can be solved.
In a nutshell, water pollution leaves a negative impact on environment, human lives, animals, and etc. Rivers and streams demonstrate some capacity to recover from the effect of certain pollutants, but lakes, bays, ponds, and oceans have little resistance to the effects of water pollution. We, as responsible citizens, must take steps towards a better tomorrow. We must join hands to take various initiatives and fight against this problem.